How to turn off or on Amazon style in-store shopping permission on Amazon shopping on Android or iOS phone. First open Amazon shopping and now click these three lines here and then click settings and now click permissions and scroll down until you find Amazon style in-store shopping, and you can turn it on or off just by one click, and I hope that can help you because it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.